Hi guys, welcome to our eTech. Today we're going to be replacing the screen on this Acer E5 series laptop. New screen here. So the screen on this one's actually kind of mangled. I think it was dropped probably. So not much short for that. So let's just jump right in and see if we can fix it. Okay, so I've moved the camera in a bit closer so that hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So I'll try and keep my hands out of the way as much as possible. But basically what we're going to do, we should be able to do this without actually dismantling the bottom half of the laptop. So we should just need to quite literally separate the screen from the casing. So I'm just using a small flathead screwdriver for that initially. Just run it down the side. There are clips every so often. So all we need to do is just snap the clips out. Just be careful around the camera. So once you get one bit off, it's really easy. The whole thing should take less than 5 minutes probably. Wide screen flat. Last clip. And that's the first part off. So now what we need to do is there's 4 screws on the monitor. So we need to unscrew these, and once we get it loose, we need to be careful so that we don't damage the ribbon cable that connects to the monitor. So let's just fire these off. This laptop's actually quite good. This one's relatively quick to replace the screen on. Some you actually have to dismantle the entire laptop and able to replace the screen, which is a complete pain in the balls. They're not all like that. Also try not to lose the screws as well, they're freaking tiny. Okay, so the screen should just kind of lift out at this point. Just lift it flat on down, you see a wee ribbon cable at the bottom that's secured in. So what we want to do is remove the tape that's securing it down. And then very carefully remove the ribbon cable. That's the old screen done. Well, if it wasn't broke before, it's broken now. And then your new screen. So hopefully this will just fit. Plug the ribbon cable back in. Doesn't actually seem to want to sit. There we go. It's quite flexible, so be careful not to break the cable. There we go, so that is the cable in. Let's just secure it down again. Now we just need to line up the holes for the screen to be screwed back in. So the hard part now is trying to keep these tiny screws on the screwdriver whilst you try and screw it in. They try to escape. hopefully this is the right screen. Certainly seems to be. I'm pretty sure that it wouldn't connect up if it wasn't. You can never tell when you shop on eBay. Okay, so that's the last screw going in now. So what we'll do is we'll fire it up and just make sure the screen does in fact work, which it does. It's always best to do that at this point rather than to have to basically try and peel the cowling off again. It's kind of a waste of time. So what we can actually do is just snap this back on once the screen is on. Almost forgot the most important part. Oh yeah. And the cowling should just snap around the screen. And that's you done. Just make sure the brightness works. Which it does. Thanks for watching this e-tech video on how to replace the laptop screen on the Acer E5 series. Thanks for watching, and as always, thumbs up the video if you liked it, and please subscribe.